Hi friends, it's Heather with Heather's Bada Bling Beauty. I am an independent color street stylist and I am back on from vacation, you guys. It was the greatest time with my grandbaby and my daughter in a day and a half with my mom. So like it was the best, you guys. I'll tell you all about it, but first, let's see what we're gonna do because this is what we're here for today, right? Not my mumbo jumbo. Ladies, gents, good gravy, baby. July blues. Oh my God. I knew this was going to be a good one. I did. Just by the videos, you know, when they show the strips and they do that little flash quick video of it. Freaking stunning, right? So we're just going to do this for our Memorial weekend. I did do a petty and I'll show you that. It's Atlantis. It is gorgeous. Oh, oof. Goodness, girls, if you have not done Atlantis on your toes, I got another set. So, all right, with that being said, let's get started and I will start chatting. So, yes, of course, I did go along the beach and get some shells. Look at how pretty. It's like I literally bought it from the store, but I did not. This one, super cool. I love when they get a little weird on that, you know? That one's neat. And this one, I couldn't resist. If you look at it in certain ways, you can see things. Sometimes a turtle. I had a surfboard man one time. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, so I grabbed a few. Got some new ones going on. Now I can fill some more, what are they called? Mason jars. Yep, I have big mason jars loaded since I've been a kid. Okay, you guys, since I've been a child. Everywhere I went, I've always collected. I mean, maybe just like that, you know, 20, 15, whatever. Not too many, you know. And then if we drive or something, I would grab a big one if I could, you know, that kind of deal. And yeah, it was good. It was so good, you guys. But can't go on a vacay without a couple of hiccups, right? Oh my gosh, you guys, so good. So, okay, I land in Orlando and I have a rental car, right? So I go to Budget, go get my rental car, and I guess I didn't read the fine print, but we were dropping it off in Tallahassee because that's where my daughter lives because she goes to Florida State University, right? Well, in order for me to get that vehicle, which was not stated, it was like literally in fine print, y'all. You need to have a returning flight that next day. Okay, it's a one-way. I didn't get this. We didn't understand this. One-way rental, right? Drop off. You would have needed like like a Discover card or a Visa, like a, you know, and I didn't have that. My husband had it. We only have one, right? And they were supposed to send us 2 cards. We still don't have the other one. So anyhow, I'm stuck. I'm tears. My daughter's in tears, you know? So like, what am I going to do? I got to make this happen, right? So I get on the phone with my mom. She's like, calm down. Let's see what we can do. Well, the only thing we could have done is they could have came and got me, and then we could go the next day and get a vehicle. Because mind you, it was Sunday when I flew in, right? And I didn't get there until like 5:30. Well, Selena's freaking out. So, you know, I'm like, no, there's something I can do. So I went up to the counter and I said, can my mom rent a vehicle and I drop it off if she has the, you know, the credit card you're looking for? Yep, absolutely. Perfect. Problem solved, right? Sweet. So I just had to wait like, I don't know, hour or two, hour and a half-ish for them to get to me. Which was fine, totally fine. But you know what I mean? Like, oh, Lord. So that started it. And of course, it was really hot and humid. And yeah, it was just crazy. So anyways, that was the start of it. Well, anyhow, I ended up getting my car. Went to my daughter's that night. And then, of course, Mom and Jeff, they drove home. And so it was about a 3.5-hour drive. It was a beautiful country ride. Matter of fact, I shared a sunset me driving down. Oops, you're not supposed to do that, but you guys, look at that. Oh my gosh, I hope the lighting is good. It was impeccable. I don't know, you think that'll fit? Yeah. It was so beautiful. Oh yeah, perfect head. I could not get over the colors. And no, I couldn't obviously see it go all the way down, duh. But just the colors in the sky were just amazing. So it was beautiful. I'm jamming to my Kenny Chesney because I'm going to see him on my birthday, my exact birthday. You guys, bucket list if you've known me. Kenny Chesney is my all-time favorite, okay? Since, like, I started listening to country. My daughter was 2. I had to switch over. So I loved country. So I just started kicking to it. Well, I found out who my favorite were. Toby Keith, you know, all the goods, all the goodies. I love them all. I love all country, most of it. And but Kenny Chesney has always been my favorite. Well, I went and seen Toby Keith. That was incredible. Well, I looked and I seen that he was doing his no shoes, no shirt. I can't remember what it's called. Anyways, tour. And I looked, sure enough, in Detroit. I'm like, and I looked at the date, August 10th. What? That's my birthday. Honey, I know what I want for my birthday. Well, here I am, like, back and forth, back and forth. Gianni, if your dad doesn't listen to me, blah, blah, blah. You know, I'm saying this to him for weeks, right? Well, my husband's phone breaks. I have to get the tickets. I found out early. I'm glad too, though. I would have kicked his butt. I have a cowboy hat, cowgirl hat, whatever. That has to get reshaped, or however you call it. However they say that. You know, it's got to get rounded again. It's gorgeous. It's black. It's got cute little, design on it. It's up in my closet. So gorgeous. And I'm obviously going to wear that, some shorts, and my cowboy boots, right? And if he wouldn't have told me, I'd be going, I don't know. So I'm super stoked, you guys, about that. But let me get back to this. So that was like kind of, exciting for me before I went. So I knew that. Okay, get to my daughter's. Great night. We hang out, watch a movie, just chill, My grandbaby was sleeping, so I just went in and gave her kisses. And, I was, her room was right next to my room, so I took my daughter's office and her husband's office. And, because he was at a conference. So it was just me and Selena and Aviana. And we had the greatest time, guys. We went to a nursery and took pictures of 4 generations. Most of my VIPers seen those. If you're on my Facebook, Facebook group, you'll see those. And my grandbaby, who is just the best, calmest. Oh my gosh, you guys, they are really doing a way good job on raising her. Wow, am I impressed? Super impressed. She eats real food, not mushed up. She does not like baby food. She would rather suck and eat on a strawberry, a lemon, avocado, a chicken breast, turkey bacon. The girl loves everything. Blackberries, everything, guys. It is incredible. I've never seen anything like this. Like, I'm just in awe, right? And so, let's see, Tuesday. Oh, Tuesday we went, or Monday, I'm sorry. Monday we got up, took the car back to Tallahassee Airport, and then we had to get some groceries. So we went grocery shopping, got our goodies, decided what we were going to have for dinners. Guys, my daughter is the best cook. Like, I'm not joking. I learned so much from her. And the key is, got this, guys, they grow their own herbs, vegetables. They're like so smart. And I'm like, wow, I never really thought it could have been this easy. Like, I'm thinking, because my brain doesn't think like normal people. I'm way, like, everything has to be perfect and I have to do it overboard. You know what I mean? Like, it drives me crazy. I'm trying to work on it. So anyhow, like, I'm imagining this big thing I have to do in my yard, and it's going to be a pain in the butt and this and that. No, 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 no. No, not at all. So I am going to start my own herb garden. Uh, Rosemary, oregano, thyme, parsley. What else did she have? Oh, so I don't like cilantro, so not that one, but there was a couple others. Freaking so good. The way she cooks her pasta, you guys. I've never had, I could have ate it just as is when it came right out. That good, you guys. She does add a lot of salt, but it just cooks in with the noodles, and that's really all they salt other than fries, right? So, that's good. And she taught me a new app to look at in the store, you guys. If you want to know how to look up healthy food for free, put app in the comments, and I will send you a message and let you know what that is. So, yes, it's a good secret, let me tell you what. And it'll help, like, just if you want to eat healthy, or if you want to lose weight, or if you're watching, what your intake is on a certain, calories or fat or salt or whatever have you. This app is it. And let me tell you what, it is free. It's incredible. Oh my gosh, we used it. My husband and I went to Walmart yesterday just to get water and peanut butter for the dog. And I was looking at all the peanut butters and the waters and all, not the waters, but the peanut butters, and you would be amazed at what is good for you and what is not. Oh, definitely purified water, not spring water, guys. That's just one of them. Doesn't really matter the brand. From what we could tell, they're all pretty much around the same. So yeah, comment app, A-P-P, and I will hook you up. So that was Tuesday. Wednesday, beach. We went down to Mexico City Beach, which is straight down from Tally pretty much. It's about, I don't know, what was it, 100 miles, I think, exactly, to be honest with you. And it was beautiful. We couldn't have picked a better beach. If you're in my Facebook group, you probably seen a pic. Yes, you did. You seen a picture of me holding my grandbaby buying a gorgeous, like, colorful umbrella that Mima hooked us up. Well, they got, but I hooked it up. Did the whole thing in the sand and all that. And, oh, Aviana, I'm not kidding you guys. It was only like, it was the perfect day. 82, I think. Beautiful wind. And Avi was the best baby. Like, no nap, guys. Like, seriously, she was awake the whole time. Maybe she fell asleep for about 20 minutes. That was about it. The whole ride, okay? So, and she takes, three or four naps a day. I can't remember. 3 naps, I think. And none. And she was awake the whole time at the beach. Just absolutely wonderful. I mean, I was just impressed, you guys. And then we were there a good 3 hours. No joke. Like, I would have expected about an hour and a half, right? But it wasn't hot. It was great. It was nobody around. Like, it was so amazing. Like, just private and not so. We were thinking about Panama City, and then I was like, she had mentioned, the Mexico Beach. And I went, yes. I said, you know why? I don't want all the crowd. She goes, me either. We're like, perfect. So we were on the same page. It was wonderful. It was absolutely wonderful. You guys, if you don't have a grandbaby, or you do, and you know that type of love I'm talking about, it's a different kind of love. And if you haven't experienced yet, and you are able to, just wait. It's going to hit you like a ton of bricks. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I got used to waking up with her. I let Selena sleep in, let her kind of just relax, and try to help keep up with, just things, washing the bottles, just silly things, Swept the floors for her one day, took out all the garbage, silly stuff. Fixed her hose outside. It was all wound and flip-flopped, and yeah. So I fixed that, and just little simple, minor, silly things. Oh, so she taught me how to cook more, better, and better ideas and stuff. I taught her to have a green thumb. I taught her what to plant. Now, okay, if you do get this set, there is some chunky glitter in it, so I'm going to have to clip those guys. But what do you think? Is she not pretty? Let's see. Oh, there we go. You like that, you guys? Ah, stunning. We're going to put on Don't Be Jealous. Where is that? I don't think I'll have it in front of me. And I still have been using nail teaks. Remember I cut them down? Yeah, we're doing good. This one, though, is split completely down. I don't think that's ever gonna, because I really, really hurt it a few times, actually, in the door. So, all right, guys. You have a great memorial. Remembering the ones that have been lost and missed, and for those that are still helping serve this country. We really appreciate you, and we love you with all our heart. Keep up the great work you're doing. All right, guys. Well, with that being said, I will chat with you the next time in the next video. Ta-ta for now.